What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, this one is pretty special. It's another stock video. Yeah, now tell me, when's the last time you've seen a selection like this? You don't, I'll be honest. You never find stuff like this, especially multiples of the same thing. Anyway, the lady I've just purchased these off, her father actually worked at Corgi at the Mettoy factory till the mid-80s, so these are pretty damn special. Now, believe it or not, he passed away in the late 90s, and then the grand's new husband actually got rid of these out the attic, threw a load of them out and left these in a shed. Can you actually believe it? In a shed. So contents absolutely perfect. Some of the boxes have got a bit water damage, but the majority are pretty damn good, which is pretty, which is nice to have. So let's take you on a little nosy through, right? So that may as well be a Saints Jag, let's be honest. No livery on it though. Gorgeous. Then we got some golfs here. We got two golfs going on. Come on, Capri first. I won't tease you that much. I wore some of these. Don't forget, this is our sort of era when RC cars are really coming through. So Corgi had a bit of a dabble. They got involved with it. So you've got a golf going on here in the rally car. But the one I absolutely love is the School of Motor, and I think that is epic. The color of the car, everything, just goes with it, doesn't it? Then we've got the Interstate Crime Buster, which may as well be like the Superman police car, that sort of vibe. The Buick Regal, love it. There's a couple of these floating around, another one there floating around. Through to the little Austin Metros in the Data Post race livery. Again, epic. We've got 1, 2, 3 of those, so they're pretty nice. And as I said, well, go on to Jordan's Vintage World, right? The eBay store, the Facebook, the Instagram. You'll see some of these opened up, and I'm going to see if any of them are actually working. I'm going to test. I'm going to get them running. Because I said they're all with instructions. Everything is with them. They're absolutely gorgeous. You've got another Capri there, which I absolutely love. Come on, it's like the British American muscle car, isn't it? Let's be honest. Through to another Interstate Crime Buster, Regal, another Capri, through to another little Austin Metro, Data Post going on there. But for me, right, let's get these ultrasonic ones out of the way, because these are cool, don't get me wrong. I think they're epic. These got out with shipping boxes with them as well, so that's why they've survived the test of time. But awesome. Another one there, awesome. But I think out of the whole bunch, the best one you're gonna have is that Convoy, and I can tell you, right, that is absolutely perfect. So in the 80s, when this was actually purchased, £32, yeah, because the guy used to go around Christmas time, used to sell these parties, etc. So that was £32 back in the day, which, come on, in the 80s was probably quite a bit of money, wasn't it? But yeah, box is gorgeous. These I'm excited about. So see this, right, as a teaser video, and I might do another video with them opened up, to be honest. Let me know in the comments below if you want that. I'll be sure to do it. But until next time, yeah, Jordan's Vintage World, that's all you need to know. Link in the description, Instagram, Facebook, and stay tuned, because all of these are for sale. Worldwide shipping is available, and you could actually own some of these. Till next time, boosh.